guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about some hair, and this time I ordered from Yolissa hair on AliExpress. As you guys know, I order all my hair from AliExpress, and I usually go I gravitate toward the more affordable brands because none of this hair is sent to me. I purchased it with my own coin, so I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys great options at an affordable price point, because don't nobody want to be spending a shit ton of money on hair if they don't need to, you know. So this time we're going to be talking about Yolissa hair. I've noticed that they've had a whole bunch of ads going up on YouTube, and a couple of the top hair influencers like Ivy League Styles, well, Ivy from Ivy League Styles, that's her channel name, has been talking about Yolissa hair and has done a couple of things with their hair. So I wanted to give them a try, and I ordered 3 bundles and 1 frontal, all 613. So I have opened the package already. It came in a DHL bag, like most AliExpress vendors send their stuff. It came in, I ordered on Thursday and it came on Tuesday. So what is that? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So 5 days and only 2 working days or 3 working days. So yeah, when I ordered, I had asked for 2 bundles of 10 inches and 1 10-inch frontal. They got my order wrong, but thank God it benefits me because they gave me longer lengths. So let me just show you. So I said I had ordered 2 bundles. They gave me 3, and they gave me the inches. They gave me 10-inch bundle, 12 inches, and a 14-inch bundle. And I've already measured them. They are all different lengths, so no, they're not 10 inches just packaged in a like 12-inch plastic. They're actually all different lengths. So let me show you. I'm going to open up the 10-inch and I'm going to open up the 14-inch so we can test the quality, see if it has a smell, all that jazz. They also included this little necklace thing, which is kind of cute. So this is the hair. Like I said, a very large bundle. It comes with a nice little tag, and of course their little catchphrase, which is "Love your life, love Yolissa hair. The only choice of quality life." And then they have a little scan thing that will take you directly to their website. Very nice packaging. You won't forget who you got it from. The hair does not have a smell. There are not a lot of flyaways, so that's good. I can't really tell the bearding because this little band is around it, but the hair feels really soft. It's in a body wave, the body wave texture, but I'm sure this is gonna fall out once I co-wash it. Yeah, it's really soft. Of course, I won't know the real quality until I co-wash it, because sometimes you'll co-wash some hair and then it'll just like dry out completely. So we'll see if that happens with this, but just judging right out of the package, it's good. All right, on to the 14-inch bundle. This one has a lot more flyaways. It looks a little less put together. You can see like all this right here. It just looks a little rougher. So let's just see though. Yeah, there's a lot more breakage on this bundle, which of course, I don't think people know this. Well, I'm not sure if the average person that orders hair knows this, but a majority of the time, the blonde hair is not actually off someone who is blonde. It's hair that has been processed to be blonde. So that's why there is usually a lot of breakage on 613 bundles, because the hair has been processed probably a couple times to get it up to this level of lightness. So just keep that in mind when you are ordering from the AliExpress vendors. I can't say all of them are like that, but in my experience, which I've been ordering hair from AliExpress for like 5 years now, I've never had a bundle that was blonde that looked like it was off a blonde person, because there's no dimension of blonde in here. It's just blonde, you know. If you're a natural blonde, like, you'll have dimensions and stuff. So that's how I know, and also because of the breakage, but that's how I know that this is not virgin hair. It's actually been processed. So I'm not sure if the average person knows that, but now you know. Let's see if this bundle has a smell. Nope, no smell. Like I said, this bundle is a little rougher. It feels rougher. It's not as nice as the 10-inch. And the ends do feel a little dry. And there is, like I said, there is a lot of breakage. You can definitely see the difference between the end thickness and the beginning thickness. So it is what it is. I'm used to stuff like this, where, you know, where the hair is not thick from weft to tip. I mean, that's the usual with 613 hair because of the amount of breakage. So, I mean, I'm not too put off by that. Not the softest hair, like I said. This is not the softest hair that I've ever had that's been blonde and off AliExpress. So, I mean, straight out of the box, eh. So let me tell you how much I paid. So like I said in the beginning, I only asked for 2 bundles of 10 inches and 1 10-inch frontal. And I got, oh, I didn't show you the frontal. Okay, I'll show you after I tell you how much I paid for it. So it was supposed to be $125 for all this. I got it for $99.20 because the company messed up. But thank God it was in my favor. No, I'm not sending this hair back. I'm gonna keep my hair. But I'm kind of happy that they screwed up because now I got more hair to play with. Alright, let's get into the frontal. So this is a 13x4 lace frontal. Comes in a nice hairnet, and it is in 10 inches. I like when companies use hairnets because then it prevents the hair from getting all tangled and stuff. This lace is like a yellow. I wouldn't call it light brown, but I wouldn't call it transparent. But it's definitely going to work for my skin tone because I am so light. If you are like a caramel and have a deeper, darker skin tone, this probably is not going to work for you. You're going to have to tint it. I can leave down below in the description box a few videos showing you how to tint lace. How to tint lace darker, because you can't get dark lace lighter, if that makes any sense. So yeah, that's the lace. This frontal is pretty thin. Let me just see if I can show you. Can you see how thin that is? Very thin. And there are several pieces in this frontal that have not been processed. You can see that especially right here. There's one knot right here that's just black. Let me see. I don't know if my camera's going to pick that up, but it's basically black hair. Once again, proof that this hair is not off of someone who's actually blonde. It's been processed. There is a lot of breakage. Like, do you see that? A lot of breakage. Which, you know, on a frontal is okay because, you know, I mean, it helps with baby hairs. But I just got to tell you all the facts. There's a lot of breakage. Like I said, the density is not very high. Let me see what it's supposed to be. It doesn't tell you what density the frontal is. So, yeah, I don't know what density it's supposed to be, but this looks less than 130 to me because you can actually see through it, you know? So, I mean, it's workable, but once again, this is not the best hair that I've ever gotten off of AliExpress. Let's see if it has a smell. No smell. And the hair, once again, is not as soft, especially on the ends. You can feel the damage. So what I'm probably going to do with this hair is deep condition it, probably twice, make my wig, and then deep condition it again when I put my color on it. And I'll let you guys know how it works out. Okay guys, that's it for my review on Yolissa hair. Once again, if I had to give it a star rating, I would say it's average, like 3 stars. Initially fresh out of the bag, it wasn't anything that blew my mind, and then it wasn't the most terrible hair that I've ever gotten. So like I said, we'll see when I start making my wig and I co-wash it what we're working with. So definitely make sure that you subscribe and come back and watch that video later on. And if you guys are noticing that I'm doing a lot of more hair videos than I am makeup, it's because number one, I don't have time to do my makeup like I used to now that I have the baby. And number two, making wigs is and has always been my stress relief. That's why I have so many of them. Just the sewing, the rhythmic motion of sewing tracks on a dome head is like, I don't know, it calms me down. So that's why I am focusing more on hair than I am makeup. So if you were coming here for the makeup, I'm sorry, you're probably not going to see a whole bunch anymore. But if you're here for the hair, make sure you're subscribed because I got a lot more coming for you. I'm going to be putting up a video on how I make my wigs because a bunch of people have been asking, and I keep telling people I make it just like Tierra Monet and Peak Meal because those are the 2 people I learned from here on YouTube. But I'll just make my own videos so you guys can see how I make my wigs. Anyway guys, if you like this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!